Hi, welcome back. So I'm going to very briefly outline the benefits of ITIL 4. First of all, business alignment. It formally clarifies that relationship, the expectations from the business. ITIL 4's very much business focused, very much business facing. You'll notice how it will assist with tactical and strategic goals within the business, and it will help you get that edge on the competition regardless of which sector you operate in. It opens up the opportunity to potentially leverage your investment into other areas, so not just IT. There's an opportunity that allows you to open this up into enterprise service management. It helps break down some of those silos within your organisation. It definitely promotes a more collaborative approach, a more integrated way of working. It improves your service delivery, improves your value enablement opportunity, and it's full of good practice approaches and practices. There's a variety of modules and ways of completing activities and best practice recommendations in there. They don't all need to be applied simultaneously. There's lots of different practices split between general management, service management, and technical management practices. It allows you to optimize with digital and with AI and automation. There's a much closer, integrated, new way of working drive in there. You'll see integrations into new practices and approaches such as DevOps or Lean or Agile, for example. It definitely provides a greater and a stronger drive and culture towards that continuous improvement. There's a CI model in there that helps you improve continuously. It firmly establishes your customer experience, your value proposition, your digital transformation. It puts all of that into context. And then finally, there's some good certification. There's a good education framework for your employees to embark on. There's good structure there and a good framework for certification. So, very quick overview of the benefits of ITIL 4. Please subscribe. I've lots of information around ITIL, ITIL 4, ITSM, SIAM, ESM, Enterprise Service Management. Thank you.